Elimination method. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. First equation 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and second equation 2x minus 2y equal to 2. We have choose the elimination method. So we are identify the coefficient. So in first equation x coefficient is the 3 and y coefficient is the 4. Second equation x coefficient is the 2, y coefficient is the minus 2. So we have choose the which coefficient is eliminated. So first of all we have choose the x eliminated. So it is equation 1, equation 2. So second equation x coefficient is the 2. It is multiplied by equation 1. So equation 1 into 2 and minus second equation 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. The first equation x coefficient is the 3. It is multiplied the equation 2. So 2 into 3. So equation 1 into 2. So equation 1 3x plus 4y into 2 equal to 10 into equation 2 into 3x plus 2 into 4y equal to 2 tens are 20. 3x are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y equal to 20. Also second equation also multiply by 3. 3 into 2x minus 2y, right hand side 2 into 3. So 3 into 2x minus 3 into 2y equal to 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6x, 3 2s are 6y equal to 6. So what we doing? 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3. So what is the equation 1 into 2? 6x plus 8y equal to 20. What about second equation? 6x minus 6y equal to 6. So both are subtractions. So here it is plus 6x. So it is minus. It is minus. So plus. It is plus. So minus. The symbols are changed. So plus 6x minus 6 are cancelled. So both are sum of the plus 6x minus 6x is equal to 0. 8y minus 8y plus 6y 14y. So 20 minus 6 14. Here 14 is multiplied. It is transposed to right hand side. Division 14 by 14. 14 ones are 14. Y value 1. So y value 1. It is substitute the equation 1. We are find out the x value. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. So what about y value? 1. 3x plus 4 into y equal to 1 equal to 10. 3x plus 4 ones are 4 equal to 10. 3x plus 4 to transpose to right hand side minus 4. 3x is equal to 10 minus 4. 3x equal to 10 minus 4 6 into 3 to transpose to right hand side by 3. 3 2s are 6. X equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So chicken. Equation 1 3x plus 4y equal to 10. What about x value? 2. Y is equal to 1 equal to 10. 3 2s are 6. 4 1s are 4. 6 plus 4 10. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is the elimination method. Thank you.